Multi-criteria decision-making in business. Real-world examples. Hello and welcome. Today, we will delve deep into the world of business decision-making, specifically focusing on the multi-criteria decision-making models. Through real-world examples and case studies, we aim to give you a comprehensive understanding of how this model is applied in business scenarios. Let's dive right in. MCDM is a decision-making process used to evaluate multiple conflicting criteria in decision-making contexts. In business, we often face situations where there are multiple factors to consider, and it's not just about maximizing profit. For instance, a company might need to balance profit with environmental sustainability and employee satisfaction. MCDM provides a structured way to weigh all these factors and come to a decision. Imagine a company, EcoPack, that produces packaging materials. They want to transition to more eco-friendly materials. They are considering several options, each with its own benefits and drawbacks related to cost, environmental impact, customer approval, and durability. Using MCDM, EcoPack lists down these criteria and assigns weightage to each based on its priority. After analyzing, they might find out that a slightly more expensive option is the best as it has a lower environmental impact and high customer approval. This example demonstrates the importance of considering multiple criteria rather than just focusing on cost. Consider Urban Cafe, a popular coffee chain. They're looking to expand and have shortlisted 3 cities. Each city has its own advantages in terms of population, average income, competition, and rent costs. Using MCDM, Urban Cafe would evaluate each city based on these criteria. They may discover that a city with higher rent costs might still be the best option due to a larger population and higher average income. This case shows how MCDM can help in making strategic expansion decisions by analyzing various factors. A crucial aspect of MCDM is the weightage assigned to each criterion. This weightage is subjective and can vary based on the company's priorities. For instance, a startup might prioritize low costs over brand visibility, while an established company might prioritize brand visibility over short-term profits. It's essential to understand that the weightage plays a pivotal role in the final decision and should be assigned after careful consideration. And that brings us to the end of our journey through multi-criteria decision-making models in business scenarios. We hope these examples and case studies shed light on the intricacies and practical applications of MCDM. Remember, in the real world, decisions are rarely black and white. There are shades of gray, and with tools like MCDM, we can navigate these complexities more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening.